This is the GUS 10.8V Li Professional, the fastest cordless universal shear for professional applications. Thanks to its optimized polygonal blade, this versatile cordless universal shear cuts materials such as PVC, carpet, leather, fabrics or cork up to a standard size of 11 millimeters thick. When doing so, it ensures safe operation due to its variable blade guard, which can be easily adapted to the thickness of the material. Its no load speed of 700 revolutions per minute is designed to suit soft and flexible materials perfectly, ensuring fast work progress throughout its cutting performance of 200 meters per battery charge in 4 millimeter thick PVC. Experience for yourself the GUS 10.8V Li Professional, the fastest cordless universal shear for professional applications. Now available in the practical, unique L-Box.